P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where look at that?
And that's it.
My idea was to put me in the car in one of the pods of the famous London Eye, so that we could have a picture right at the top with a fantastic view. They want £50,000. I thought he meant 50 quid. Let's think of something else.
I had done just that. For my Instagram picture, I'm not messing about. I've recruited a top photographer and I'm very excited because he's brilliant. Look at that. His name
Smells as fresh as it feels. Now that's a breath of fresh Eric.
God's sake, really? £650,000
Yes.
for an old Ferrari with a bit sawn out of the middle.
It's a bit more than that.
So if you want a Stratos, why don't you just buy a Stratos?
Well, I don't fit in the original Stratos.
Well, you would if we...
unremarkable old Ferrari.
Stratos around the Ebola-drome.
There's enough spare parts to build a car. Oh,
Yeah.
come on. Here?
As the other two opened the third crate, I found a mysterious bag. This civilization is a town called Moron.
Is it?
That's surprising. It's hundreds of miles away. In order to reach it, you must... Moron.
And that's the start.
We're here.
It says map not...
By a whole population which appropriates them as a purely magical object.
They don't review cars like we do then.
No, what we tend to do is mention the top speed, 0 to 60 the price,
Stick a tail out.
a couple of silly metaphors, back to the studio.
Job done.
No, I'll give you another little bit here for me.
You actually record what speed you've done.
We put a GoPro camera on the dash,
Yes.
and then that will reveal the speed.
Somebody else goes in the car with you to verify
No,
how
we're not
fast
going
it's
in a
safe.
car
We're
with
not
you.
getting in a car with you
We're
driving.
not.
most depressing moment was during the most shocking thing that I discovered was that most journalists in the mainstream have absolutely no desire to question the narrative. They are so happy to just have a comfortable life, go along with.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.